So I'm now in Bali for a week and I'm already at the medical center. Perfect start. So yeah, let me tell you what happened. But first I need to go to the next place and I will bring you with me. So let's go. So the taxi driver screwed me over. I have to walk 1 kilometer. It's not too much, but because of my toe, not the most fun thing. Like the dickhead knew that the port was probably not open, so he said, I know another way, I know another way. And now I have to walk a kilometer. Fucking dickhead. But yeah, this is what it is. I'm almost there. It's not too far away, luckily. But yeah, still it's annoying because I don't want to walk too much. So I just arrived. Looks pretty nice. And also very friendly. I got a drink immediately, so that makes the walk a little better. So yeah, I'm now checking in and then let's check out the villa. So I think it's a typical day today that nothing works as it's supposed to be. My credit card didn't work, or no, my credit card did work, but their machine didn't work. So I had to pay it manually with my banking account, and they were like, oh, is it already paid? I said, yeah, you want me to do it like this? I paid it, it will be there in like 2 days or something, but you have to wait now. Then my AirPod fell on the ground like the whole capsule, and one fell out and fell in the water and doesn't work anymore. So yes, but we're here now. Nice villa, so I can relax from here on out. So let me show you the place. I can't lie, it's not the cleanest, fanciest place in my opinion, but I think it's kind of what you pay for. Like, this is 60 euros a night, and for 60 euros a night this is insane. So they have the statue here very close, so it's a good location. You could see the statue in the montage as well. I will show you some when I can see it from the common area here, and I probably will go there tomorrow, so be prepared for that. Okay, so yeah, now first I'm gonna relax a bit because my toe is hurting. I will tell you about that. So that's how the villas looks like from the top. This is a viewing point. You can see the statue in the background. Probably gonna visit tomorrow. So yeah, it's an amazing view though. They have a pool, relaxing area, bar area. The only problem is I think there's almost nobody here. So the restaurant is closed and like all the facilities are kind of closed. That sucks. And the pool, yeah, the pool is still open, but I cannot use the pool because I am not allowed to swim with my toe. A bit annoying, but like I said, I think they said that on booking.com it showed that there was with an 80% discount I booked this villa. So I think you still get what you pay for. You cannot expect too much, to be honest. But yeah, the view is definitely amazing. So yeah. Yeah, that's about it, I think. There's not much more going on here, so yeah. I need to tell you a story about what happened with my toe. So let me do that real quick. So, for the people that don't like this, I will put a timestamp in so you can go to there so you know when the story is over. For the people that are not afraid by hearing what happened, nice. So, what happened is I had the scooter on its stand so it doesn't fall over, and it was on the. I had the scooter, pulled the scooter backwards. My toe was in the way. The stand went up to the toe, and that was not so funny. That hurt, bleeding, everything. I cleaned it with water, but not properly. So, and I didn't go to the doctor only 3 days later when it was already infected. Then it looked pretty. The problem was it never really hurted, so I was like, it should be okay, right? Spoiler alert, it wasn't. So when I arrived with the doctor, he gave me antibiotics, a lot of painkillers, and he ripped off the nail. So, and then he cleaned it out very, very well. That was awful to begin with, but it's my fault. I should have gone earlier. But yeah. So, and now I have to go every 2 days. I have to go to the doctor so he can clean the bandage and clean the wound a bit. But I've been today for the second time to the doctor, and he said everything looks okay, everything looks fine and good. So now it's just waiting till the wound is dry, so I am allowed to swim again and do stuff. And for now, yeah, it's hard to wear shoes and get around, but it is what it is. I should have gone to the doctor immediately. I shouldn't have waited. Like, I thought that everything would be fine. It's just best to just go to the doctor and get a second opinion. Like, if it's fine, he will tell you to go home, but if it's wrong, he can treat you immediately. So it's better that way around than just wait till it gets wrong. So yeah, for the next week, no drinking and taking it easy. That's why I ordered, I'm in this villa, so I can just relax for a bit. And like I said, the statue in the background, probably visit that tomorrow. And we'll make some shots from that. So yeah, nice. For now, it's now around 3:30. Pretty shitty because no cars can come here. It's almost impossible, and the restaurant's not open here. So I have to order food and order groceries, and it's pretty hard to get out of here. It is what it is. Like I said a lot of times already, I think this is where you pay for. So I think I'm not really can complain, because normally this villas will be way more expensive. So yeah. It is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna relax. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I just finished my breakfast. I'm drinking a cup of coffee. And after this, I'm going to the statue that you saw in my time-lapse that I just put before this, if I think I added that correctly. And that statue is Karua Vishnu Kansana. I probably pronounced it really wrong, but I tried at least. And it should be one of the biggest statues in the world. I think it was top 4 or on this 4th place. My taxi driver said 2 days ago, so we'll see. We're gonna check it out, and yeah, let's go. So we arrived at the statue. Behind me. Garut Vishnu Kensana it's called. It's only built in 2018. It's one of the highest statues of the world right now. Our taxi driver said it was number 4. So pretty nice. Unfortunately we couldn't go up because they only do tours per hour, and so now we have to wait 15 minutes. There are only 20 people allowed. So that's too bad, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's go on today for the day. So we are back at the villa again. We're in the common area. You can see the statue. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Check out the other videos. Thank you very much for watching as well. So the next video I don't know where it's about. Probably here in Bali still. So we'll see you there. So till next week. Thank you.
It never gets me down, yeah. I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever.